Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the mod speeder. This is actually a fantasy casting, but I bought it. I do have this in kind of that grayish blue color. That came along with that original custom Camaro. During 2023. So because those two looked identical, so even now this looks mostly identical. Given the color scheme is also the same for this one as well, so I bought it. So let's unbox this and how this one looks. To be very honest, I never actually unboxed that mod speeder because the time that it came to that particular car's unboxing, we got next case, so I just went to mains of the next case, so and on and on. So I totally forgot about that. It is still lying inside a box somewhere in my home. Uh, so someone was actually telling me, listen to your wife, unbox 2023 cars. We need it. Surely I will be unboxing those. So I'm just trying to unbox everything which I'm having when it comes to Hot Wheels. So I'm trying as much possible, as much as I can. But rest assured, I will unbox everything. So don't worry about it. Okay, let's talk about this casting. So out of the box, the casting looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, that looks really nice. I mean, okay, so the air intake on the here, and that is plastic actually, but it looks absolutely nice. And you can see the acrylic here. I think this is supposed to be a headlight here. That is really nice. And I personally love they went with this particular set of rims for this one. That is absolutely gorgeous. And again, it does have good interior detailing to it. That is really nice. It is really flat if you ask me, and it looks really cool. I mean, it gives you that supercar feel. And you can see the acrylics on the rear as well. So I think this is supposed to be the tail light, because again this is a fantasy car, so it's up to maybe how we can imagine, I guess. So it has exhaust detail as well. That is really cool. Okay, so the chassis doesn't have much of a detailing, but it is fine. So okay, the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic, and including this part here, the gold. See all the gold ones out here. So everything is plastic. Those are not metal, and this looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, uh, maybe so I'm see again. I'm having paint job issues. You can see here, and you can see here as well. Let me just focus that. Okay, you can see here as well. So again, that's what I'm saying, right? Maybe I'm unlucky to have this kind of paint issues, castings and all, but that's what maybe whatever you are getting might not have all these issues. So you can see the paint bubbling here also. So yeah, it has door handle detailing here. It is not colored in a different color like they did for the custom Camaro, but it is engraved into it, so that looks really nice. And it has, I think this, yeah, this is rear view mirror. It does have one side rear view mirror. That is really cool because this one is a left hand steering, so or left hand drive. You can see the detailing here. Those looks really nice. I mean, Hot Wheels Metal does really very good job when it comes to these kind of fantasies. This one, and there are a couple more which I bought. I'm forgetting the names of it. El Segundo Coupe, which resembles like 99%. The Lamborghini Miura. That one was so amazing, and there were a couple more. I might have unboxed it. Right now, I'm not remembering that, but I should have said the same thing. When I was doing those videos. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 31 grams. So that is considerably less, but it is not bad because it is not really heavy or something like that. It is really flat. So this actually looks really nice. Even if you keep it inside a case like that, that is going to look really beautiful just because of the color scheme. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay. Okay, not good. Okay. Okay, it is getting stuck here somewhere. Not sure why. It is getting a lot of friction around this range. So most of the cars actually gets the friction around this particular region. When it has this wider rear. So yeah, see, it rolls good, but it is not going to roll very well on these tracks. This is official Hot Wheels tracks which I'm having. So okay, so let's rate this casting. So okay, so this particular thing, the rolling issue might be pretty common, so I'm just taking point 0.5 out of 10 for that, because it doesn't matter which country you are in, or I mean what version you are having of the smart speeder. End of the day, that is the official Hot Wheels track, and that is a common track you will get in maybe every track set, or even separately if you buy that track pack, that 4-piece pack. So that is what you are going to get. So that's the reason I'm reducing that point 0.5, so I'm giving 9.5 out of 10. So okay, so this is for the people who loves to collect the cars, and more specifically who loves more detailing like I do. So because this has this acrylics for headlights and taillights and everything, so this is one of the fantasy casting I personally feel it is really worthy enough to buy. So rest is up to you guys. If you are able to get this, if you have money with you, and if you prefer this kind of castings, this is an absolutely gorgeous one and well detailed one as well. And you can customize this as well, if you have the necessary tools with you. That is going to look absolutely gorgeous. You can see all this, even this carbon fiber detailing and all here, those are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm really feeling bad for removing that point 0.5, but I mean, it is what it is. It didn't perform on the track. So okay, so I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but I'm mentioning it one more time. The body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic, including the gold ones out here, including the spoiler is actually metal. So I don't know if I missed that one out or not. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.